Hello and welcome to week 4 of biotechnology. This week we're going to be talking a lot about our immune system and how it applies to some groundbreaking technologies such as cloning and organ transplants. The essential questions that we're going to seek to answer this week are how the immune system works to defend our bodies against pathogens, how vaccines develop and how they help prevent disease, how the immune system plays a part in organ transplant and rejection, and then finally what are some ethical dilemmas surrounding organ transplants. Our live session this week is a duplicate, so you only need to attend one, and it's called Got Milk. It's based on a chapter from Frankenstein's Cat, which is located in the course pack that Duke Tip sent you before the eStudies term started. Some key assignments this week include completing a virtual lab to analyze the function of the immune system and its impact on developing technologies, to create an infographic to learn the science theory and practice behind vaccinations, to participate in a discussion regarding ethical dilemmas of organ transplant, and then finally to submit revisions to your pharmaceutical development project based on the feedback that I provided. And this is going to be an optional activity for this week. You will also be submitting the topic that you will use for your biotechnology evaluation project. And this project asks you to find a specific technology that uses biology in some way, so some microorganism, and explain how it manipulates biological systems to fulfill its new purpose, the benefits of the technology, the uses and the limitations of that technology, any ethical concerns related to the product, and then finally additional uses of that product. We're going to be brainstorming this early in the week so you can help each other develop some ideas, and then choosing a final topic later in that week. Please feel free to use the weekly agenda and pacing guide to help you pace your way throughout the week. Use the weekly checklist to make sure that you've finished all of your deliverables, and email me with any questions or concerns. Have a great 4th week.